Hi everyone, today we will discuss another exercise of chapter 9, probability of combined events, that is self-practice 9.2a. Now we look the question, determine whether the following events are dependent events or independent events. Number 1, the pointer of a lucky wheel stops at the same sector twice consecutively. So here, the pointer that stops at the same sector. So for the lucky wheel, when you when the pointer stops, okay, the second pointer, okay, the stop for the second pointer doesn't depends on the first pointer. So that means it can be same sector or either different sector. So this is independent events. That means the stop for the second, when the pointer stops for the second stop, okay, doesn't depends on the first stop. For number 2, the selection of 2 boys from a group of 10 girls and 14 boys at random. So this one, if you already choose the first boy, for example Ali, you cannot choose Ali again. That means the first boy, when you already choose the first boy, the second boy cannot be the same person. So this is a dependent events. Number 3, answer 3 objective questions with 4 options correctly if the answer of each question is chosen random. So this is like the questions in your paper 1 mathematics, okay? So you have 4 options. So you can choose any of the options and it doesn't depend. So this is independent events. That means the answer, you can choose any one of the answers. So if you already choose the one of the answer, maybe you can choose other answers also. So this is not dependent. For number 4, box P contains 2 red cards and 3 black cards, while box Q contains 5 red cards and 6 green cards. A card is chosen at random from box P and then put into box Q. After that, a card is chosen at random from box Q. Both cards chosen from box P and box Q are of the same color. So here, for box P, you have 2 reds and 3 black cards. And box Q, you have red and green cards. So this one, after you choose the card from box P, you put into box Q. So this one is dependent events because what card you choose from box P, either red or black cards. If you choose black and you put into box Q, so maybe you can choose the second card, maybe you can choose red. Okay, it doesn't mean that you have to choose for the second box also you choose black card. You can choose any of the cards. So it depends what card you put into box Q. If you put black cards and in box Q you choose the same black card, so you will get the same color. So what is the outcome? It depends on what card you put from box P. So this is dependent events. Number 5, Vincent and Bajat sit for history test in school. Vincent and Bajat passed the history test. So both passed the history test and maybe both can fail or either one pass. So this one is independent events. So I hope you all understand the explanation given for this exercise. Thanks for watching.